and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a microscope. The link to the microscope should be here. And in the microscope comes with these parts. First, it comes with specimens of glass and plastic containers for keeping specimens, and a blank label for labeling things, and collection bottles to collect stuff, and tweezers called forceps here. And you need to use AA batteries, 2 of them, to operate this, and the magnification is 100 times, 400 times, and 100 and 1200 times. I'm going to open it. Comes in a styrofoam bag, styrofoam box to protect the microscope. And here are the specimens of glass. And then there are the plastic boxes for the keeping of specimens, and bottles which says use for filling or storage solid, liquid, and various chemical arrangements. And here is the microscope itself. I don't know. It's a bit small. Now I'm going to now that we've put in the batteries, I'm going to test the thing before I actually put my hair, because I plan on putting my hair, but I'm planning to test it first. I don't get how this works. So I assume
Can I help you?
put this. So I'm told to put this. It's like the hole is too small to put it to see through. Do you have problems? Give me a while. So now that we figured out how this works, I'm gonna cut my hair and put it under the.
Just cut one piece.
Did I cut my hair? Yes, I cut my hair. Oh, I think I cut more than one strand. My idea was one strand. Oh well. Now I've been told I need to tape it.
Yeah, you need to tape it. Sorry Marco, the tape cannot be like that. Must be one layer.
Okay.
You cannot wrap around, just one layer. Then the side you have to cut it.
This side has some of my hair. Let me see whether it works. Oh, it works. Wait.
Huh? Can see? You adjust.
Maybe I go to the least zoom possible so I can see a bit more. Yeah, I see things. Yeah, I see things.
Yeah.
Actually, this is very worth it. It's like $16, and it comes with a lot of stuff like this. It comes with stickers. No, it comes with dots.
Okay.
This is the end of my video. This is actually a very good thing to get. Yeah,
We can experiment with a lot of things, right?
Yeah, and the link to it is like in the first few seconds of the video. It should be there. And bye bye, see you next video.